Right, last run of the day. Turned out to be quite a nice day in the end. Got some sunshine. We're running Woodcote 2, which is in effect Woodcote 1 from this morning, but in reverse.
Good luck. It's a bit tighter this one, but I'm sure you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Crack on.
I just want to stay off the grass this time. Okay.
8, 3, 2, 1, go!
Clean, I hope.
Yeah, didn't hear anything.
Oh, that felt good. That felt really good. Oh, getting that hot car smell. The brakes, the tyres, the engine. It smells wonderful. It'll go so quickly. It's over too quickly. Yes. Once we get out here, it's like I'm ready now. I want to do 10 back to back.
Sick?
No.
Do you not?
No. The adrenaline pumps, and by the end of the third one, it's like this.
That's it.
I just want to keep going. It's good. It's such a rush.
We'll have to find you a special Autosolo experience so you can do it all day.
Yeah, set one up for me, Gabriel, please. Yeah. That would be nice. That would be nice. Okay, I'm good, sir.
Red 8, 3, 2, 1, go!
Well, wipers.
your windscreen wipers off.
Yeah, I know. Manic.
Yeah.
I took
Very
3
good.
seconds off.
Yeah. Flying.
3 seconds. Let's have one more of those. Maybe. I'm in with a shout. What would this thing be like with a diff? Alright, sad times. This is the last run of the day. Right, come on, Mark. Focus, smooth, concentrate.
Red 8, 3, 2, 1, go!
How was that?
Not too bad.
Clean?
Clean.
Wonderful? Felt clean?
So far of your 3 times.
Was it?
So that's pretty good.
Oh, thank you very much.
Tasty beat.
What a rush.